Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on your Remitly account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log in. Once you have been logged in and taken into the home page, click on the Manage option at the bottom right corner in order to change your email address. Then click on Profile. And now from the profile page, you will be able to find your email address. Click on the edit button at the right side, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new email address. Type in your desired new email address and click on the save button, and you will be asked to verify this new email address by clicking on the link that has been sent within your inbox. So check your inbox and then click on the link within, and now your new email address will be changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.